ASX copper stocks are exploding in 2025, here's why you can't ignore them. Copper alert: ASX copper stocks are surging after Freeport warned it might miss customer contracts, and the pressure's on after global supply disasters hit Indonesia, Congo, and Chile. First up, 29Metals. They're ramping up exploration at Golden Grove with major drilling hits at Trial, Europa, and more. Revenue, up 11.5%. Net profit bounced back to $35.3 million Australian dollars. EBITDA up to $112.6 million Australian dollars. Cash balance? A strong $187 million Australian dollars. Next, MAC Copper. They're hitting records at the CSA mine, with 19,231 tons produced at 4.3% grade, and a record 385 tons per day in June. Sales were down, but they're turning things around fast. Free cash flow plus 42%. Debt costs cut by 30%. Capstone Copper, Q2 2025. Massive. Production jumped 40% to 57,416 tons. Revenue, $543.2 million United States dollars. Record EBITDA, $215.6 million United States dollars. With global supply tightening and ASX players gearing up for massive output, the copper boom is here. Don't sleep on these stocks. The second half of 2025 could be explosive. Follow for more insights.